Third time in the month to clean all of my makeup brushes, so I put almost third quarter of a cup of baking soda into my Tupperware. I'm putting in a little bit of Dawn dish soap and apple cider vinegar. I was taught to clean my makeup brushes monthly with vinegar and baking soda, or baking soda and Dawn soap. So now I'm going to take my fabric headbands and I'm going to add them in there too, since they've been sitting in the drawer with my nail polish and my traveling set of brushes. I'm going to use my Pampered Chef mini spatula to move the baking soda around and get my headbands in there really well. Even gonna wash my tweezers. You take the head of the brush and you really rub it in there and you clean it so you can see all the makeup's coming off of it. And you leave it soak for a little bit, and then you let it air dry for 12 to 24 hours, but you can see the difference on that. So my foundation, blush and bronzer brush that I use basically daily. These are my 4 from Sephora. They're an angled eye, my all above shadow, my crease, and my smudge. And out of all of them, I use all of them all the time. I'm gonna have to add some extra vinegar in it. Doing the same thing, I push the bottom of the brush in just to let it, and then I try and wind some of it out, but I'm gonna have to put more vinegar in to cover everything, and I'm even going to put this holder in there. So now I'm going to do my traveling set of makeup brushes, and these have everything, which I should actually use these all the time. There's your powder, your eyeshadow, your eyebrow, your lip liner, because sometimes you want to use liquid lip liner or smudge your regular lip liner, depending on what lipstick you use, and a blush. So I'm going to actually add some more apple cider vinegar. Whenever you add vinegar to baking soda, it blows up because of the activation agents in both of them. So it spilled over when I started rubbing in my brushes. So I'm just going to leave my brushes for a little while and then take them out and rinse them really well. Clean my traveling case and my everyday brush case in Melaleuca Soliguard botanical wipes. They're good for cleaning, they're good for deodorizing, sanitizing. I always do the outside of the case, and this case has felt inside, but I still do the inside. Because when you put your makeup on the brushes every day, it will make your case dirty. I always wipe down my plastic really well. Especially that the makeup goes in there. You can actually wash your brushes more often too. You should always rinse your foundation and your powder and your blush off of your brushes every day. And I'm just going to leave these dry. Now I'm going to take my brushes and rinse them out really well with warm water. And just leave them sit. They actually should be standing up to dry.